The seemingly uncontrollable rise in COVID cases coming now through from China is having all sorts of effects around the world. We've seen travel restrictions come in from some countries for Chinese visitors, and the markets aren't immune from their effects of all this. It's not conclusive. In the West, of course, we've had effective vaccines now for 2.5 years, but China's vaccine program has been less than effective for a number of different reasons, not least of which they're not buying into the West's defences that they built up around COVID, which is enabling us all to live now with COVID-19. Not so the case in China. Almost 1 million people expected now in China almost every day to have COVID. That's estimates coming through from some Western commentators. China itself says about 5,000 cases a day, but we know about the Chinese estimations on their country's data. Now, we've seen the US has become the latest country to ban Chinese visitors that haven't been tested into their soil. And we've got Italy, Taiwan, Japan and India also putting up travel restrictions for people coming in from China. They're asking them to be tested and tested negatively to allow them into the country. Now, Australia and UK still have not put up any testing regimes for incoming visitors from China, but that could now just be a matter of time. Let's take a quick look around what's happening in the markets. London's FTSE was one of the poorer performing markets on the session today. We've seen a print not seen since the 21st of December. It's not a big decline, and we're in very thin volumes at the moment, and it is only down 0.1%. The US, we've seen some more hefty declines. Got the Nasdaq yesterday printing the lowest level we've seen since the 4th of November. A little bit of interest in that market today. But it's some of these travel companies. Yesterday, we were talking about some of the discount airlines on the way down. And you can see here, because of the restrictions around Italy and possibly some other European countries coming into this for Chinese visitors, it does mean that there are some headwinds now for some of these discount airlines. We've got EasyJet now down here at lows not seen since the 31st of October. And travel companies as well. It's not marked today. This is TUI down just over 1%, bumping along what is now a recent bottom for this stock. So you can see that there is an effect, but it's not really conclusive at the moment so far as some of the market responses to what we've been seeing out of China. But certainly it's big news and worth watching. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.